Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will be talking about how to design a poster using Canva. In previous episode, we talked about how to design a logo using Canva. In today's episode, it will be on how to make your own poster or design your own poster using Canva, using the Canva site. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Um, and also, you can leave in the comments any suggestions or if there's any thing you're looking to design using Canva and you need help with, and then we can talk about that. So to start with, to design a poster, so as usual, you go to the search bar and then you type poster. As you can see, there's different options coming up. Um, so the one we are going to be trying today is okay. We're just going to click on one and see the different options that come up. So an example is this one. So it was recently Mother's Day, a few days ago. To design this, um, okay, we're just going to go back to um, the different templates. So as you can see, these are different templates on different posters depending on what you're looking to design. So you can choose your own template. I'm just going to make use of this blank one. So from looking at it, you can decide to choose your own colors depending on what you're looking to design. So we take for example Mother's Day. So personally, I think I will want to use something with like a pinky bright purple background. The main reason behind this is because it portrays feminine um colors mainly. Yes, I'm just gonna select the first one. So we click on that. So now, if let's say for example we are looking to write Happy Mother's Day. So basically, what I've done is click on the text icon on the left side. Click on that. You can decide to write do the writing using different designs or headings, or for example using different fonts. Okay, now for this particular one, um, I'm just going to make use of a simple template. Let's we use this one as an example. So with Canva, even though it says innovation at work, what we are looking to write is Happy Mother's Day. So all you need to do is click on that, on the first word that says innovation on it. So what we're looking to do is to write something else on it. So I'm just going to take that off. Okay, so basically I'm looking to take out the first one that has innovation on it. So I'm just going to delete everything. Okay, so all right. So as you can see, that's coming up, and then you can just rewrite on it. So we have happy. Then we move to the other button, and then you can always get to you can change the font. Um, so to change the font, you click on the text. And then if you're looking to change the font, as you can see, so what I've clicked is the option for icon script on the right hand side. And then it brings up different fonts that you can make use of. As you can see, there's quite a lot of fonts um, that you can avail of. Alright, so for this particular one, I'm just going to be using something a little bit bold. So I use this one. So we're writing Mother's Day. So this is a very quick example of how to make a poster. So you can always feel free to write it depending um on your likes, depending on the color, fonts, and design that you're looking to make use of. Yes, so this is a very quick one. So I can just put it in the middle. Happy Mother's Day. Now, if you are looking to print this or like make use of it, so as it is, it's still on Canva. It hasn't but you can always get to print it out. And to do that, okay, let's say for example that this is everything we're looking to do. Happy Mother's Day. All you need to do is click on the button on the right hand side that says upload. You click on the download icon. Now, after clicking the download option, you can see different options coming up: PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print. So all these different options, it depends on um, what you're looking to use the poster to do. So let's say, for example, you're looking to share the poster. The best option to choose would be the JPG. If you're looking to make illustrations or complex images using that same poster, you click on use the PNG, which is the one that's suggested by Canva. And if you are looking to send the poster as an email or as a document, then a PDF standard will be ideal. If you're looking to print it out, to print out the poster, then you click on the PDF print. But for this particular video, we're going to stick with PNG. So when you click on that, if you have the paid option, you can always get to use, do the background as a transparent background or compress the file. Like there's other different options available if it's a paid version. So we're going to download that image. So as you can see, the image is coming up, and that's the image on the screen. Nice and beautiful. So that image at the moment is downloaded. You can always still get to print it out as it is. Yes, so that's a simple, those are simple steps on how to create a poster using Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if there's any other suggestions you have on how to use Canva, do not hesitate to leave it under the comments section. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.